10 Best Tuner for 7.3 Powerstroke 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ford 7.3L Powerstroke Dipstick Adapter Repair Kit. Tired of that common leaky dipstick adapter on your Ford 7.3L Powerstroke? Our dipstick adapter repair kit is your ideal fix. Crafted from high-quality materials, this kit guarantees long-lasting durability and a reliable, leak-free seal, restoring accuracy to your fluid checks. You'll appreciate the straightforward, easy installation, getting your truck back on the road without hassle. Designed for a perfect fit, it's compatible with F250, F350, F450, F550, 1994 to 2003, Excursion 2000 to 2003, and E-Series vans, 1995 to 2003, directly replacing F4TZ 6753A and F4TZ 6751B. Stop worrying about messy leaks and trust your engine's health. We stand by our product and offer 24-hour support for your peace of mind. Number 9. GTP 38 Turbo for 7.3L Powerstroke F250/F350 to 99. Ready to unleash the true power of your 98 to 99 7.3L Powerstroke F250/F350? Our GTP 38 Turbo is the direct upgrade your truck deserves. Engineered for a precise, high-fit replacement, installation is made straightforward, getting you back on the road faster. Crafted from premium, high-temperature resistant materials, this turbo delivers superior strength and lasting durability, built to endure the toughest conditions. Experience an immediate boost in engine power and feel that crisp throttle response you've been missing. You'll also notice improved engine emissions, better fuel economy, and reduced fuel consumption, a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Designed specifically for your 7.3 LV8 1998 to 1999 Super Duty, transform your ride today. Professional installation is highly recommended for optimal performance. Number 8. 1999 to 2003 Powerstroke 7.3L Transmission Cooler. Is your 7.3L Powerstroke's transmission battling excessive heat, especially under load? Equip it with the Misimoto 1999 to 2003 Powerstroke Transmission Cooler, a critical investment in your truck's longevity. This cooler delivers a verified reduction of over 10 degrees Fahrenheit in fluid temperature, significantly extending transmission life without compromising fluid pressure. How? A robust 37-row stack plate design boasts a 265% increase in core volume and an additional 1.0 quart of fluid capacity over stock, ensuring superior heat dissipation. Designed for a direct, no modification install compatible with all factory components, setup is effortless. Built with high-performance materials and backed by Misimoto's quality, you'll gain unmatched durability and complete peace of mind. Number 7. 7.3L Powerstroke Turbo Diesel Chrome Badges. Ready to give your legendary 7.3L Powerstroke the distinguished touch it deserves? Our premium chrome badges are the perfect upgrade. This package includes a pair of striking 7.3L emblems, designed for an effortless transformation. Crafted from high-quality automotive ABS plastic, these aren't just pretty. They're built to last, boasting waterproof and windproof durability for year-round resilience against the elements. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove your old badges, ensure the surface is clean and dry for optimal adhesion. Then apply these new beauties for a factory-fresh, professional finish. It's the simplest way to enhance your truck's aesthetic and proudly display its iconic engine. Elevate your Powerstroke's look today. Number 6. Ford 7.3L Powerstroke Dipstick Repair Kit. Is a broken dipstick tube leaving you guessing about your 7.3L Powerstroke's oil level? Our Ford 7.3L Powerstroke Dipstick Repair Kit is your ultimate fix. Expertly engineered to match OEM specifications. F4TZ 6753A, F4TZ 6751B. This kit ensures a flawless fit for your 1994 to 2003 F-Series, Excursion, or E-Series van. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this repair kit is built to last, providing long-term reliability where the original might have failed. You'll appreciate the straightforward, easy installation that gets your truck back to proper fluid checks swiftly. Plus, with our 1-year product service and dedicated 24-hour customer support, you can purchase with absolute confidence. Restore proper functionality and peace of mind today. Number 5, 7.3L Powerstroke Back Pressure Valve, 1999 to 2003. Is your 1999 to 2003 7.3L Powerstroke's back pressure valve giving you grief? We've got the simple, effective solution you've been searching for. Our back pressure valve terminator is specifically engineered to bring peace of mind to your diesel. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, this terminator installs effortlessly. Just plug it into the harness where your back pressure solenoid connects. The magic? It expertly keeps your EBPV from closing, preventing unwanted exhaust restrictions and those aggravating noises. More importantly, it cleverly prevents those pesky OBDII codes from ever triggering a service engine light. Enjoy a cleaner dash and unrestricted performance, all with a quick, reliable upgrade designed for your Powerstroke. Number 4. GTP 38 Turbocharger for 94 to 97 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke. Is your 94 to 97 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke lacking its legendary punch and robust performance? Our GTP 38 Turbocharger is the precision-engineered, direct-fit replacement your truck deserves. Crafted from high-strength aluminum and iron, this turbo is built to endure the most demanding conditions, resisting extreme wear and high exhaust temperatures for unmatched, long-lasting durability and reliability. You'll instantly feel the difference: significantly enhanced power, improved fuel economy, and a smoother, more responsive ride. It's designed to unleash your truck's full potential, ensuring peak performance whether you're working hard or cruising. Upgrade with confidence. This isn't just a part, it's a commitment to restoring your rig's roar, backed by our 1-year warranty. Number 3. Ford Powerstroke IPR Leak Test Kit. Tired of chasing elusive high-pressure oil leaks on your Ford 6.0L or 7.3L Powerstroke? Our IPR Leak Test Kit is the ultimate diagnostic solution. It pinpoints leaks quickly and accurately, without needing a scan tool or IPR driver, saving significant time and frustration. Imagine detecting any size leak before reinstalling the engine, preventing expensive comebacks. This kit simplifies the process. No turbo removal required. Just remove the IPR, thread in the tool, connect shop air, and listen. Even the smallest leaks are revealed by its precise shutoff valve. Built with a heavy-duty 5,300 PSI hydraulic hose, it's a durable, reusable investment for any shop. Optional ICP sensor monitoring ensures zero leaks for advanced users. Diagnose smarter, not harder. Number 2. Wicked Wheel 2 Billet Compressor for 7.3L Powerstroke. Ready to fully unleash the legendary power of your 7.3L Powerstroke. The Wicked Wheel 2 Billet Compressor offers the ultimate upgrade for superior turbo performance. Perfectly compatible with 1994 to 2003 models. Crafted from precision machined billet aluminum, this advanced wheel dramatically reduces turbo lag, delivering sharper throttle response and instant, exhilarating boost. You'll immediately feel robust, consistent power delivery across the entire RPM band, whether you're daily driving or towing heavy loads. Crucially, it helps lower exhaust gas temperatures for improved engine longevity and enhanced efficiency. Experience a smoother, more responsive, and genuinely transformed driving experience. A game changer for your powerful diesel. Number 1. 7.3L Powerstroke Dipstick Adapter Repair Kit, 1994 to 2003. Is that stubborn oil leak around your 7.3L Powerstroke's dipstick assembly driving you crazy, or are you constantly second-guessing your oil level readings? It's a common problem, and our Dipstick Adapter Repair Kit is the precise, lasting solution your truck deserves. This comprehensive kit directly replaces worn or damaged adapters, eliminating frustrating oil leaks at the engine connection point. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy and stainless steel with industrial-grade rubber seals, it ensures a perfect, leak-free fit, and restores proper dipstick depth for accurate oil measurement every time. No more risk from under or overfilling. Designed specifically for your 1994 to 2003 F-Series, Excursion, and E-Series vans, this kit guarantees reliable performance under extreme conditions. Invest in precision. Protect your engine's longevity. So, that sums up my 10 best tuner for 7.3 Powerstroke. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.